Hey guys, okay, since we're all struggling with Google Classroom and checking Google Classroom, I'm going to do a video of what you need to do every day at the beginning of each class. So, you guys should all have a home base, depending on what grade you're in. You're going to have a 6th grade, a 7th grade, or 8th grade. And then you should all have a Grovable ELT, which is where your social skills and your intervention classes are in. So I'm going to work in 6th grade. So when I click 6th grade, here's a stream. If I post a message, it's going to be here in the message. It also tells you if you have upcoming things that are due right here in this side box. So at the beginning of each class, you need to go to classwork. You need to go to whichever class. Let's say we are in language arts. Look, it says language arts, 8:30 to 9:21. It even has the time. So at the beginning of language arts, you need to pick the day. So here is Thursday. So all I did was click Thursday. And it tells you right here, the first thing to do is to sign in to Google Meet at 8:30. And then the second thing is you're going to go to Edmentum. You're going to go to your course, Georgia Middle School Language Arts. You're going to go to the sentences chapter. And then you're going to go to what is a sentence application. So when you have made it there, I would come back to here. And then the third thing it says, complete what is a sentence application 1 and 2 on your own. So you know that you're going to be doing the work on your own. Anytime that you're going to be doing work on your own, I will put on your own. Let's look at one that might be a little more complicated. Let's scroll to math. So since it's the beginning of math, let's look at what Tuesday's lesson was. Actually, we'll look at Thursday's. I'm going to click on Thursday. And you can even make it larger by clicking View Material. So this says to log in to Edmentum, go to the class WMS Extended Learning Time, and then go to the section or the unit Understanding Whole Numbers 0 through 10. So once you have found this section here, you're going to read number 2. Number 2 says, complete Understanding Whole Numbers 0 through 10 mastery test on your own, which means you're going to do this by yourself. So we know that math starts at 9:24. I see for number 3, it says sign in to Google Meet at 9:50, which means that I need or you need to complete this assignment before you come on to the Google Meet. Some days I will have that. You will have to do an assignment before you come on to the Google Meet. And then it tells you what we'll do on Google Meet. Review classroom level systems on Google Meet, and then you're going to complete the quiz, which I need to attach. So I'm glad I'm going over this with you. So each class period has the designated times you're supposed to be in the class. So the first thing you need to do for every single class is you need to go to the class, look at what day it is, click the day, and look at your instructions on what you need to be doing for the day. So if we do have another internet outage, you can still go to Thursday and you can see, okay, we're not going to have a Google Meet because Miss G doesn't have any internet. I can still go to ReadWorks and complete my assignment. If you look at social studies, the same thing. If you click today, it's going to say the Google Meet tells you. So some days I may not even have a Google Meet check-in, And you are just going to have to watch the video and do this on your own. You guys really, really, really need to check at the beginning of the class every single day what you need to do and be prepared for class every single day. That is one of the expectations. So I hope this helps. And also, look, on the side, it even should have this, so you can skip ahead to whatever you need. So now, if we look at home base is going to be the same, except for I'm going to change the actual date. So next week, this is going to say Monday, August 24th, 2020. For home base, the morning announcements and the questions will be going. I will have a Google Meet every day just as a check-in if you have any quick thing you want to discuss with me. If you don't want to do the Google Meet check-in, that's okay. As long as you answer this question, that tells me you have checked in for home base. And there's a question every single day. Let's look at ELT. So if you look at the classwork, social skills, okay, if we tell you, this is not as detailed because we're going to meet for social skills and we will do this. Some of you have math intervention, some of you have reading, and some of you have writing. Again, if you click on this, it tells you what to do. Okay, guys, we really got to get better with understanding how to work Google Classroom. Even though we're coming back on the 31st, we're still going to use Google Classroom for certain things because it is not a certain thing that we're going to be back all school year. There is still a possibility that we have to go digital because of the pandemic. So you guys need to be comfortable with understanding how to use Google Classroom for your assignments. All right. I hope this was a good explanation and you guys have a great day.